Thank you. Asa ka dire? Asa? I'm doing live now. Where are you, my team? There's only you in my life. Magkarigis ka ba? My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make. Asa ka dire? Asa ka dire? Your every step I make, my first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make. No.
Ang pamamanhid ng kamay at paa ay hindi dapat baliwalain. Ibig sabihin nito na ang katawan mo ay barado na. Huwag mo itong ipagwalang bahala. Baka sa huli.
Where are you? Where are you now? My God. Hi. Bautista Jeronimo. Hello. Hi po. We need to prepare our foods. Who's that girl? Hi Ray. Hello Ray. Hi Ray Miller. Welcome back again. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Giselle Gillen. Hi. Pangit. Hi. Later, you call me Pangit. Maybe you're so beautiful. Thank you, Nene Ramones. You're so beautiful. Artistine ka, Dai. Thank you, Dai. Yes, it's fine to call me Pangit. Hi, Nene Ramones. Siguro may lahi kayong artista yayamanin. Ayan, flawless ang kotes. Sana ganun din kaganda yung pagmumukha mo na maala artistain, mala porcelana ang kotes. Yung ugali mo, minamatch din po yan. Sana, ha? Nene Ramones. Dahil sa tinawag mo akong pangit. Hoping na gandang-ganda ka po. Para naman, worth it yung sinasabi mo. So, minamatch po natin yan. So, yun, Nene Ramones. Shoutout to yun, Nene Ramones. Yung maganda, mala-artistahin niya, yamanin yung kutis. Salamat sa pag-join. Kalain mo yun. Nag-effort kang pumunta dito. English. Team Nene Ramones said, ugly. That's why I said, Nere Ramones, you are so beautiful. You're looking so rich, Kim. Flawless Kim. Thank you for joining here, Nene Ramones. Nene Ramones, shout out to you. Thank you to those who joined this. Hula. Hi, Jocelyn. Hula. Thank you po. Ray. Ray. Thank you, Ray. Bautista Geronimo. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Why? San hinaid na ni... Sorry, Nene. Medyo, kasi yung yung moderator ko, medyo, siya, strike. Ayan, na-hide ka. So, ayaw niya ng toxic dito. Nene Ramones, my moderator, he don't like toxic people in my home. That's why he hides you or she, I don't like trash people here. That's why you need to find another channel to match your personality, to match your beautiness. Okay, thank you for joining here, Nene Ramones. Nene Ramones, thank you so much. God bless you. Happy Sunday. Maglilipat sana ako kaso lubat. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Tell me who's that girl. Tell me who's that girl. Okay. Thank you so much. Maganon. Things to do. Para kagat ako sa may kagat ka din sa mga lamok. Teka na ng kagat sa lamok ko. I have some mosquito bites. They bites me, yes. Some mosquito bites me. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you, guys. Tell me who's that girl? Who's that girl? Love is all that matters. Talk, don't dance. What should I say? No one talk here. Maybe you don't need to hide Nene Ramones, like Nene Ramones, because something dislike people. They talk, but they talk. It's fine. Nobody's perfect. Did you eat it? I ate bread, 2 slices of bread and something. I ate breakfast. Did you eat your dinner, team? Did you eat your dinner? What time you going to church? Afternoon. I'm going to church afternoon.
Ako.
Afternoon here. I'm going.
Diyan ka.
I'm not hungry. Okay.
Sakit mo na. Diyan ka kaya kahit. Hindi tayo. Hindi po nakulangan ako. Lagi na. Ito, Maris. Hindi pa lang. Top 3 lang ako. Ako muna. 1 million.
Thank you for 5 million.
Gayat. Sana makabot na sa top.
What are you doing now? Night there now pala. What are you doing now? Lying in bed?
818 million.
Oh my God, sana may ikaw.
Hindi din. Uy, helicopter na ako. Kasi hindi din. 100 lang kuya ko.
I get my eye surgery on Monday at 12. Okay. Oh, you need to rest.
Na 11
Maybe,
naman.
maybe rest. You need to rest.
Para ulat kayo ko dito.
Oo, mation yun nakamot mo, ibutang mo yun doon.
Ano yung baga? Ito na kuya, nakalipat naman ako. Baka makain.
Hi, thank you for 9 million here.
Dio?
Thank you for the thumbs up. I to go bananas. Good morning po. Good morning, I to go bananas. Don't miss out on another live stream or post. Hit the bell to get updates on what's going on.
Dio, pwede ka na.
Thank you, your likes and subscribe are appreciated. Chat, 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 tap, tap your phones. Thank you, I to go bananas. Oh my God. Thank you, I to go bananas. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. God bless. Send money, more money, gifts. Send money, money, gifts, and present. Give
Top
from
3.
your heart. Thank you so much, bananas. I go bananas.
Tinga.
Thank you.
Uy,
Don't hesitate saying
hindi may nakuha na
gifts.
pet. Tingnan
Thank you so much.
Walang pet. Tinawaya lang.
I got another one. Lol. Okay. Who is this banana person? Where are you from, banana? Where are you from? I go to bananas. Chat, don't be shy to say hello. Leave your thoughts and opinions in the chat. You will definitely, absolutely, tremendously what it means. Enjoy your chat with it. Chat with. Thank you. I took bananas. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Bakalak.
Where are you from? I need to go bananas. I've been subscribed to you for a long time. That's why I remember your channel.
3.
That's why it's familiar. Thank you, I to go bananas. Have a nice day. Happy Sunday. God bless. Thanks for the likes, guys.
S.A.
Tell me who's that? I'm from USA. Wow, that's great. Where are you in USA?
9.
Illinois. Oh, it's Illinois. Illinois, maybe.
Wala ka.
Hala, yes. Okay, Cheryl, pay attention.
Delete ko ito.
Why?
Delete ko.
Illinois. What? How did you know the abbreviation rule? I don't know, just Illinois. Just L, it's Illinois. I don't know, I use hula hoop.
$56? 806,000.
Yes, you got it correct. Yeah, good. That's
5,000.
nice. So I'm smart. Yes.
Sayang, magkabay ko.
Hi, I'm John. Hi, John from Australia. Hi, John. Why Friday? Hi, John from Australia. Thank you for joining. Nickname. Okay. Your nickname is Friday. Thank you for joining, John. How old are you, John? How old are you? And what next question? I don't know. Saan darating ang mga salita? Gagaling sa ating dalawa.
Katulad ko.
45 on and old man. 45 on and old man from Sydney, Australia. Obviously, where are you where are you located? I'm from Philippines.
Let's break down the ideal butterfly.
Bungi ng aking kong.
Ito ka sa
Oh, the good job. Yes. Yes. Kaya nga papatiin ko na namin si Donna, Roldan, Roman, maraming salamat.
Bakit mag-erase ka mong pinaport? Ha? Mag-erase.
Alam ko na pangalaga na kailangan ko talaga natin.
Ano, race? Nag-erase na ako.
Especially sa panahon ng lahat talaga lahat.
Didelayin niya, na-port-inan. Sakto lang, 50,000.
Siyempre,
Have someone at the door catch you on the rebound. Zero on that. Ma'am, pwede kita what does mean? Anong OTG? Have someone at the door catch you on the rebound. Rebound?
Lugo ko sa
The
din.
door?
Kauri lang ako din.
No.
Wait lang, ano?
Jerry English. What do you mean, Jerry? OTG. What OTG? What OTG? Wala. Ano ibig sabihin ng OTG? Baby, what it means? Azo. Baby, baby. Baby.
Second lang ako din si
Baby.
Kuya Carl. Second.
Baby.
Second lang ako.
Ano ba?
Second lang.
Baby. Oh.
Second, di ba na?
Ikaw lang dyan, no. Means marry me. No. Sorry. Tem or me? Tem. Tem? Ikaw lang dyan, no. I'm with, kasama ko ang aking
Kasab naman ako.
and yung kalaro, yung pinsan niya. Jerry English. Jerry English, please. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kasi ganda mo. Desde España. Saan ako maganda? Saan banda? Desde España. Hi, Baracos. I feel sleepy now because I'm not sleep well last night. What it means? I can't read it well. Maybe it's from another. What country you from, Azu? Oh, maybe you are
Erase kita, kaya ka na.
Germany,
Yes.
Dutch, single mom ka. Who fault is that you not sleep good? Okay, fine. It's my fault.
Oh, 1,000.
Happy?
Correct? O, 62. Ako, 1,500. Ay, 570.
Ngayon, yes, single mom, but soon I'm getting married. I'm getting married soon, so I'm not single. I'm taken by someone who love me,
Year to, gaya.
who make me cry, who make me smile, who make me happy, who make me nod. Azo, hi Azo, where you from, Azo? Are you a Dutch or are you from stop doing shit you shouldn't be doing. And you won't cry.
Sana second pag hirap lang.
Nandito ako sa Barco Seaman po ako. Nandito ako sa'yo. Saan ako? Saan, ano bang tawag? Kalawakan ka ngayon. Saan bansa ka ngayon? Is that easy? Is that easy? Oh my God, it's not so easy. Oh my God. God. Kasi ano ko. Oh my God. My God. Oh my God. Last warning. Wow, you treating me? Are you treating me? Are you treating me? Hmm? Warning me?
Na 100 pesos.
America ako.
Second ako. Second lang. 50 naman.
Oh, si Jerry. Jerry, you need to... May warning ka na. Oh my God. Na-time out ka na.
Ikot ka? Ang solo.
So far... He's in timeout. He can come back tomorrow. Hello, ma'am. Hi, Brussels Nebreha vlog. Hello. How are ya? Okay. Okay. What? Okay. Oh my God. You're gonna fall asleep. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.